Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to Booms's Spots. For my new and old subscribers, you are welcome. We are heading to Lagos Idumota Market to do bulk shopping on this day, and come with me to the market and I will show you guys how much I buy each item and the total cost I spent in the market today. This is me driving to the market and I'm heading into the UBA car park where I usually park. If you follow my market vlogs, you will know that I usually park into the UBA car park anytime I go to Lagos Island Market. I just called my labor woman to let her know that I am very close to the market and she should go and wait for me at our usual spots before we enter the market. And she made me know that she was not in the market, but she was close to the market on this day. But she was going to send someone that was going to come and help me before she gets to me. Hey guys, good morning and welcome back again to the channel. Welcome back to Booms's Spot and welcome back to yet another market vlog. I am parked at UBA car park. You guys, this is my regular parking spot. I'm parked at UBA car park and I'm heading to the market to go and do my grocery shopping for month end. I will also need to buy my usual, carton of chicken, fish and other things just to stock up in the freezer for this month end. You guys, I almost said, you know what, I'm not going to be putting the prices of what I buy anymore and all, but I'm like, no, that is what makes my market vlog. That's what makes it unique. Putting the what they call it prices so that you go to the market and you have an idea of how much. I know a lot of people that have reached out to me say, oh, this particular product that I bought, this time around, they want to try it, they want to do this one, how much did you get it and all. So the least I can do is put the prices for you guys with the current status in Nigeria right now, so you guys know exactly what to expect, especially for those that are watching me in the diaspora that will think that you were buying Omo or detergents for 200 naira back in 4 years when you left is the same price now. So that when your family member is telling you send me money, you will know that they are not lying. But anyways, I'm parked in UBA car park. My labor woman is not in the market yet, but she said she's coming to meet me and then we'll head into the market. No, I'm already even heading into the market. She has sent someone to come and meet me at our usual spot and then she will meet me up before I head back. I'm buying provisions and I'm buying some other things as well, but anyways, let's just go. I need to also buy boo-boo in this market because I realized that my boo-boo collection, I don't know whether I've used it to do for that Christmas or what, but I need to buy boo-boo. But anyways, welcome to yet another market vlog and let's go shopping. I'm out of the car and it's time to start heading into the market. If you notice, I'm with my little knapsack bag and this is the best bag you can carry into this market. Put it in your front and just keep going. I saw these chickens and the guys was telling me 7,000 naira. You guys remember I said I wanted to buy boo-boo, right? Luckily for me, at the junction I saw this boo-boo and I decided to just buy it before I finish all my money buying food stuff, and I would not buy the boo-boo for myself. So I told the guys to give me other colors. The ones that I saw inside were more beautiful than the ones that I saw outside. So this is me just making my choices and I'll let you guys in on how much I bought it. I eventually bought this one and another one you're gonna see. I bought them for 8,000 naira each because they are different quality. Look at me just dancing because finally mommy gets to buy something for herself aside looking out for every other person aside me. So I picked up 2 pieces and that was like 16,000 naira. So this one I'm holding is the second piece I got as well and I love it. You guys, by the time you're seeing this video, I've already rocked one out of it and I have been rocking it. One of my best buys ever. So my people, if you like what you see and you just want to patronize him and buy boo-boo from him,
Just when you park at the UBA car park and you're making your way into the market, you would see him just in front. Like, he is very visible, you can't miss him. And this is me just doing transfer and making my payment so that I can take my boo-boos and go. A lot of you wonder how I vlog in the market. It is not easy, as you have people staring at you, just wondering what you are doing, and you have people say, oh, don't put the camera in my face, so, oh, wait till you the video, fine sister, wait till you the video, don't video me. Oh, I know. But anyways, I feel like right now I'm used to it. Doing YouTube for the past 3 years, I'm already used to it. So this is us just walking to meet the lady that my Laboro man said she's waiting for me at the junction, and I have found her. So now we are heading into the market to start shopping. This is the entrance of the market. Did I mention that I came to the market with my friend? You guys, look at this juicy sugar cane. Is there anybody like me that loves sugar cane the way I do? And a piece of this sugar cane, the man insisted 500. Like, it was not going down. He said 500 or nothing. I tried to do shakara a little bit. I went forward. He didn't even call me back, and I'm like, you know what, let me just better quench my cravings and just buy the sugar cane that I'm seeing. So yeah, usually I like to take out the back of the sugar cane and also the head as well. So this is him just peeling it, and I headed straight to using the POS because the shopping today is going to be a lot. So I initially told them to give me 200,000 naira first, but you guys, of course, I withdrew even much more in the market. Don't worry, by the end of this vlog, you guys will know the total cost that I spent in the market today. I'm just counting my money to make sure, because a lot of you would take money from these POS people and think that it is complete. Sometimes it's not complete. Sometimes the money is actually old and dirty. You can't even use it to buy anything in the market. You guys, I saw this vegetable man and I bought just a few vegetables from him. Now heading into the provision section to start my shopping. You guys, look at my oil man, where I buy oil from, and I got oil from him. This lady, I said I was not going to buy provision from her anymore, but I realized that she gives me better cereal than the one I buy inside the provision market, because these ones are just the ones on display, and she goes inside to actually bring the main ones. So I realized, oh my god, I realized that those ones I was buying inside the provision market that were a lot cheaper, like Golden Mon and all, they were rebagged. Yes, and they will put their expiry date, but it will have this funny feel, like funny taste and all. So I just stopped buying from them. I bought these onions as well. You guys, what is a Nigerian market without fight? As I was walking, I saw this fight that ensued. I was like, let me just capture a little bit of clip for you guys. But anyways, let's continue our shopping. This is my Laboro woman. She has come to meet me in the market. My love, literally. And you guys, thank you so much for always using her.
Spend your money. Mommy, I want
You guys know my meat man was see you, and I'll leave his number on the screen so that you guys can continue to patronize him. He has a new number as he misplaced his old phone. I went to buy a carton of soft chicken and fish as well before I start heading home, because I called my lady that delivers to the house, Big Sam, and she said she's not feeling well. She had to go to the village for treatment, and I'm like, you know what, let me just buy and let them cut it in my presence, and I'll just take it home. am back home now, and it is time to do a quick unboxing and fill you guys in on everything that I bought in the market today. So this is me just arranging, and let's just get straight into it. Mentors I bought for 1,500 each, Viva 1,700, Moped 2,700. I bought Ribena for 2,700. I bought Fresh Yo for 3,300 a pack. I bought Golden Moon for 3,500 naira, and I bought Dangote sugar for 1,200. I bought Nutribomb for 1,700, and I bought about 4 packs that will last a month. I bought oats for 2,500. I bought about 2 packs. I bought Hypo 2,500. I bought Harpic 2,500. I bought about 2. I bought window cleaner 1,200. Peanut butter 2,000. Patience is just helping me offload more things for display. I bought this Johnson & Johnson soap 1,900. I bought Dano 123 3,900. I bought sachet of Milo 1,400. I bought about 5. I bought sachet of milk 1,500, and I bought about 5 as well. Someone told me to actually try this Twisco, and as at this time you're watching this video, I have tried it and it's so lovely. I bought it 1,000 a pack. I bought Dano for 1,000 a sachet. You guys, Fab biscuit is the reigning thing. For my subscribers that watch my videos judiciously, I mean every time I post, you guys know how I have been raving about this Fab biscuit. And yeah, it was so hard to find in the market, but eventually I found it, and a carton was going for 9,000 naira, and so I bought about 2 cartons of this Fab biscuit. And you guys, one of my best buy in the market. I bought belt tissue. I bought half a roll for 7,500. I bought kitchen roll 1,200. I bought dustbin nylon, Viva of course, 1,200. Jago mayonnaise 2,700. Carton of Indomie 9,000. You guys, Morphix was 9,000. I decided to try this Kiss pants. It was 7,500, and I bought one. I also got spices as well. My Lasso chicken spice was 700 each. Lasso fish spice for a roll was 2,000 naira, and it will be my first time trying it. You guys, Sonia tomato 700, chicken powder spice 1,500, and I bought about 2 packs of it. I bought combi for 1,700. Gino sachet roll was 700. Whoever plugged me to Golden Terra sachet oil, you are the bomb. I bought it for 2,200. No, 2,500. Curry 700 each. You guys, I bought spaghetti 1,000, and this size of yam was going for 6,000 naira. It's quite big, but I think it is overpriced. Like, it's too pricey. All this quantity of tomatoes that you can see, onions that you can see in this basket was going for 15,000 naira, and it makes up of 4 paint buckets. A paint rubber of tomato was 6,000, and I bought just 1 paint because I want to use it to make my sauces. I already have tomato. And then Tatashi and Shombo, I bought half paint, which was 3,000. So everything you see inside here is 6,000. All this Pomo and Shaki was 3,000 naira. That's how much I bought it. Now to the meat. All this quantity of meat that you can see here is 30,000 naira. Let me know in the comment section if it was a good buy, because you guys like to roast me whenever I display how much I bought meat. But let me know if it was a good buy. Snail was going for 8,000 naira for 20 pieces, and I just bought this size of snail. A carton of chicken was going for 40,500. I spent a total of 410,000 naira in the market today, and that brings us to the end of the market vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog.